Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The topic for today is continuous statement. Okay, the continuous statement skip the current iteration of a loop. It means any loop for while do while. Okay, after the continuous statement, the program moves to end of the loop and check the condition is evaluated and update the statement. Okay, if the condition is true, it skips to next iteration. Otherwise, it's terminate the loop. Okay, shall we begin with our program? As usual, class main method. I begin with a for loop for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, for I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10. Okay, for first condition, that 1 is greater than 5, no, the condition false, so it will directly come here and print 1. Okay, then I will get implemented to 2, same, 2 is greater than 5, so the condition false, so it will come outside the condition, then it will print 2 in the next line. Then I is equal to 3. Now also the condition will not satisfy, so it will print 3 in next line. Then 4, again the condition not satisfied, so it will print 4 in next line. Then I is equal to 5. 5 greater than 5? No, 5 greater than or equal to 5 means the condition satisfy. Here it will not satisfy, so it will print 5 also here in the next line. Then here I is equal to 6. 6 greater than 5 as the condition true, so it will come here. It is an and, so it will satisfy logical and it will satisfy both the condition is true. Only the it will go to the statement. Okay, so it will check here that it's less than 9. Yeah, if both conditions are true, it will go here and continue. Continue means it will skip the current iteration, so it will not come here. Okay, it's directly go to here, so it will not print anything, so 6 will get skipped here. Okay, 6 will get skipped here. Then I will get incremented to 7. Again the condition is 7 is greater than 5, the condition true. 7 is less than 9, also the condition true, so it also skip the current iteration, so 7 is also get skipped. Okay, then I will get incremented to 8. 8 is greater than 5 and less than 9 as the condition true, so continuous statement skip the current iteration. 8 also, so I will get incremented to 9. 9 is greater than 5, the condition true. 9 is less than 9, no, the condition fail. 9 is less than or equal to 9 means the condition satisfies, so if anyone fails, it will not go inside the statement, so it will come here, then it will print 9 in the next line. Then I will get incremented to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10, the condition satisfied. 10 greater than 5. 10 less than 9, again the condition, one of the condition is failed, so it will not go inside the statement, then it will print 10 in the next line. So our expected output like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 6 will get skipped, then 7 is also skipped, 8 is also skipped, 9, then 10. So our output for the program like this. Okay, shall we run the program? So it will same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are skipped due to continuous statement, then 9, 10. Yeah, that's how the continuous statement works in Java programming. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you.